How to fix display option is missing in Windows settings. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. If your account lacks administrative privileges, you may not have access to all settings, including the display option. Switching to an administrator account can restore missing features. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, outdated system files or missing updates can lead to functionality issues, such as missing settings. Keeping your system updated ensures compatibility and fixes known bugs. Fix 3. Update display drivers. Corrupted or outdated display drivers may cause missing display settings. Restart your computer after updating all necessary drivers. Corrupted system files can lead to missing settings. Running SFC and DISM scans helps repair those files. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If the issue started recently, rolling back your system to a previous point can undo changes causing the problem.